We're going to be talking about how to generate an AI clone of ourselves that's going to help us book appointments with clients that are going to want to pay us for tools that we actually don't have to go and fulfill or even pay for the development of. I have a full free checklist that I'm going to give you today that'll allow you to get set up. And if you've never made money online before, don't worry, you're in the right place. I'm going to show you how to easily get started with this system and earn thousands of dollars in a very automated way. Now, I'm going to show you exactly how I set up the system for myself, how I'm using it to get people on the phone and sell them different things. And the best part is that I can actually do this in any business. So it doesn't matter if I'm selling AI or if I'm selling a software or I'm selling a service, I can do this with pretty much anything. But more importantly, so can you. And I'm not doing anything that special. In fact, what I'm actually doing is kind of almost too easy at this point. And I'm getting to the point where I don't know how much more automated we can actually make this. So let me explain to you how this process works. It's an easy step-by-step system, and then you can decide whether or not you want to use it for your own business or for your client's business, okay? Now, if you don't have any clients, today's your lucky day because we're going to be showing you how to get your first client with this system, okay? So ShineRanker is a tool that I've been building over the last year and a half. This tool currently helps you find trending keywords that people are looking for. It also allows you to find scripts or create scripts with ChatGPT from those keywords that you found. And I could go and create content right now on any keyword. Let's say I wanted to go look up, I don't know, the top AI tools. ShineRanker will go find me the topics that people are searching for the most around this. And then I can have ChatGPT inside of ShineRanker build me a script that I can then go feed to an AI clone of myself that will go and then actually create the video that we can use to go and generate the leads, okay? Now, again, I'm just showing you how this works. If this sounds like crazy, don't worry. I'm going to show you step by step what I'm doing here, but I'm just showing you exactly how this principle works. So we get a script, we feed it to an AI clone. The AI clone tells people to text a phone number, and then we have an automation that goes and follows up with the people that text us, and we actually get them on a booked appointment, and then we can sell them any one of these tools, okay? So if that went by too fast, again, don't worry. I'm going to show you step by step, okay? So step number one really just is going to something like ShineRanker, grabbing a script, right? So if I wanted to get a video for, let's say I want to show people that they can go get leads, please write me a script, or let's just say a description, why someone would want to use an AI clone of themselves to get leads. So ChatGPT will go and write that script, right? And what's going to happen is we're going to feed that script into one of the many tools ShineRanker offers. Now, ShineRanker right now, we have a few tools in development. One of them is this tool that'll actually go and clone a picture of your face and it does text to speech. It'll clone your voice as well. We have some other cool ones. This one will actually go and do a list of the top 5 websites. So if you have a, let's say, a list like this of the top AI websites, we can automatically generate a video for you. And we can generate as many of these as we want that will go and cover, hey, these are the top 5 websites, and it'll actually go and make videos of the actual websites. It'll use text to speech. Let me just show you what this sounds like here. Let me turn off my...
Top artificial intelligence video generation platform for creating varied and localized videos is Synthesia.
So it's a little choppy right here. It's because we don't have the final version in here, but the final version is very smooth. And again, the point is you can create an AI clone that will go and make video content for you, right? We can clone our face. We have another tool coming that will actually go and do text to video generation as well. We use Stable Diffusion to actually go and generate AI content, like stock content that'll look kind of like, let me show you. You've probably seen this before, like an AI generated cat. We can actually make a full video with an AI generated cat like this. Looks a little weird, but it gets a lot of views. Okay. The point is it's not supposed to look good. Everybody asks me, Chase, this doesn't look like me. This doesn't sound like me. I don't care. You can go and make an AI clone that gets you views. That's the point, right? And if you don't believe me, go check out some of my Facebook accounts. I actually have a Facebook account that we've been running as an example for this that's getting thousands of views on the videos. And there's only like a few followers on the actual Facebook account, but my AI generated clone is going and getting views. And if you can get over 1,000 views on a video, all you have to do is get a few people off that video to text a phone number of yours. and you can go and get booked appointments with that person. So up until the lead gets on the phone with you, it doesn't really matter how you're getting the views. Look at this. This is 1.1 thousand views, 1.1 thousand views, 21,000, 7,000, 19,000. The majority of these videos are AI generated with my voice clone. You can go look at my Instagram account and look at some of my videos. You'll notice that it does not sound like me. It doesn't matter. I get leads with it, okay? And so can you. This account over here has 80 followers. That's it. And it's getting thousands of views. So it doesn't matter what your opinion is. Everybody says, well, Chase, it doesn't sound like me, or it doesn't look like me. That it looks terrible. I don't care. Look, go put a picture of a dog talking here. It doesn't matter. Like I could go to Google right now and look up, random AI generated person face, and I can have that person talk. And if I'm uncomfortable about having an AI clone of myself, it really doesn't matter how you do this, right? So the point is, though, you take an image or you take some sort of clone thing, you feed it the script, right? Go over to ChatGPT inside ShineRanker, feed it this script, and then you put a phone number in here. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to take that phone number, and we can do some really cool things with this, by the way. We don't just have to go and send people to like a landing page or an email. We can actually tell them to text us through this video. So if I play this, let me play this for you.
Secondly, the AI clone can be programmed with advanced algorithms that can analyze...
Right, so I post that video. Let's say I get 1,000 views. I put in there, text this phone number, right? Now, if I use a tool like High Level, which by the way, if you want a free 30-day trial to High Level, and if you're already on that landing page, because I'm probably going to embed this video on this landing page, you don't have to go back to this page, but go to firstaitool.com, enter your info, and then you're going to get taken to a free trial link for High Level for 30 days. If you don't want to use High Level, don't use it, but at least get the free trial. When you're in High Level, you're going to get a phone number that looks sort of like this. It's going to be a forwarding number. I'm trying to find it right here. Okay, here it is. You're going to get a phone number. Now, you put that phone number in your videos, right? I just did this the other day on my Instagram page. You're going to get people texting you saying, yes, I would like to create an AI clone of myself, or I'd like to know where the top 5 websites are. You can give them whatever you want, right? You can give them a list like this. Say, hey, go text this phone number and I will give you the top 5 AI tools right now. Top 100 AI tools. So they text the phone number. When they text the phone number, you set up an automated funnel where you actually go and get them to schedule an appointment with you. Okay. So when somebody texts me at the number I just showed you, you can go try it right now. Go text this number. What is it? 805-514-1672. I try to get them on a free strategy session, right? So if you text that number, it's going to say, hey, I'd love to get you set up with a free strategy call for getting started with ShineRanker and earning money with AI. I'll send you my calendar link so we can get you dialed in. Now, if you go and say yes to that, what's going to happen is it's going to say, here's the invite, here's the link, and then you're going to get on a call with either me or my team. Now, on that call, we're going to get you set up with a account, either on ShineRanker or if you want to get set up on High Level, whatever. And then we're going to offer to do this for you, right? So I'll just give you a disclaimer right now. If you get on the call with us, we're going to say, look, if you want us to just go set up all this stuff for you, set up the automation, set up ShineRanker, set up your AI content, we'll do it for you. And I think right now the package is around like $300 for a done for you thing, right? So you go and let us set that up for you. Now, you get all this content scheduled, right? You get all these people texting you. This is where you can decide if you want to get on the phone with them and sell them either an affiliate or a service, or you can sell them whatever you want. This will work for anything, right? So you could get all these people booking an appointment with you with your AI clone that's getting them to text you. And then all you have to do is sign up for one of these tools and promote it, right? So let's say the people watching your videos want to know how to get set up with AI content. Well, guess what? You could help them get set up on ShineRanker for free. You could say, look, I'm going to help you get set up on ShineRanker for free. I'm going to have you sign up through my affiliate link so I make sure I can make a commission on this. So that way, if you do like the tool and you pay for it, I want to get paid every month for my free service that I'm giving you. But you could do this for anything. It doesn't have to be ShineRanker. You could do this for Jasper. You could do this for, whatever. You could also sell a service. You don't even have to do affiliate. You could say, look, I run a content agency and I want to get you set up doing AI content. I will do this for you every single month for $500 a month. I'll do this for you for $1,000 a month. It doesn't matter. But the point is that if you can get people on a call and you can use AI to generate that lead, you can infinitely scale this. That's the point. I could go and make 100 of these videos right now with different clones, schedule them all out on social media, and I can get leads coming in on autopilot, hundreds of leads every single day. And guess what? That's what I'm doing. I have hundreds and hundreds of leads every single day. In fact, I have so many people texting us at this point. We have over 76 of these scheduled just in the last couple days that I literally cannot, like, if somebody wants to try to book a call with us right now, we have to book like 2 weeks out. Okay. So I can't even get more leads right now. So the point that I'm trying to show you here is that this is the ultimate system right now to get leads. If you want to use AI to generate leads on autopilot, you need to get into this. And if you want to get set up, what I would recommend, grab a free trial to High Level. If you want to text us and you want us to set this up for you, text us at this phone number. And if you want to check out ShineRanker, by the way, we're building on a lot of really, really cool stuff. Lots of really cool AI features, video features. We're going super deep into the video content game. Today is the last day before the price actually goes up. The price is doubling tonight. If you want to get in, this is your last chance to get the early adopter plan. So if you're on the fence, you're like, I don't know if I want ShineRanker. Well, guess what? Tomorrow it's too late. So don't get left in the dust. A lot of people are going to wish that they would have jumped on this sooner. All right. We'll see you very soon. Thanks for stopping by. Till next time. Happy money making. We'll see you. Bye.